parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers. Welcome back to another video. This video is, I was doing a series of herbs that heal. But today I'm going to show you one beautiful plant, aloe vera. Aloe vera, almost way back 6,000 years ago, we have history of this. You can check if you are interested with this plant. 6,000 years ago, this plant being used, and this is called a plant of immortality. It seems from last 6,000 years back, Egyptian pharaohs, for their funerals, as a gift, this aloe vera used to be given. Something which I just, learnt during this preparation of aloe vera. Egyptian pharaohs' funerals gift is aloe vera, a plant of immortality. This aloe vera has few names: lily of the desert, burn plant, and elephant's gall, many. Aloe vera, very popular. It has a big industry behind this plant. An industry of cosmetics, an industry of health. If you go to a pharmacist, you see the aloe vera gel in the shelves, right? So what is so great about this plant? I know this aloe vera as a wonderful indoor plant which takes lots of carbon dioxide and gives away oxygen and purifies the air. And also it has few healing remedies. Healing power. Healing power, good for health, is different. I want everybody to know this. We take good fruits, good food to keep up our good health. We get healing herbs when we are injured, when we are wounded, when there is burnt. There is a difference between that. This aloe vera has the benefit of healing. Healing comes only after injury, wounds, burns, as external remedy. Aloe vera has 300 species. Can you imagine? I have seen few, at least 10 I have seen. I would like to show 3-4 to you today. 300 varieties of aloe vera plants. What a great nature we live in. As I am nature lover, plant lover, this amazes me. This gives me immense happiness and pleasure when I look at such things. 300 varieties, so many names. And Aca aloe vera, which has little spikes on the leaves. That particular variety is very good for healing power. Maybe you can check that. And this particular variety will help you with the two things. Usually aloe vera, some of the cosmetic industry used crushed leaves. The crushed leaves will have the latex and also gel in between the leaves. I mean, the leaf has, beautiful layers, and beneath the layers, you have this gel. The gel and latex together crushed in the leaves gives us so many properties, healing properties, healing properties. The gel can be nicely rubbed on the sunburns. When you are exposed to sun and heat, skin gets burnt. To sunburns, any of the atopic eczema, any of the dermatitis, slightly, because over usage of this product, either gel or latex, leads to bad consequences. Not good. Overdose. Anything in nature, as long as you use it carefully, use it accordingly, use it sparsely according to the demand. I tell you, they help us in many aspects. But anything overdose, anything overusage will hamper, will disturb the regular work of human working system and leads to many of side effects and problems. Any external healing power, I tell you, any skin, dermatologists also use this ointments based on aloe vera. If you are using directly the leaf of aloe vera, I tell you, use limited, very minute mgs. Don't use over, as we have so many plants. And few of even the medical advices is taking through mouth, not so advisable continuously. Once in a while, not a problem. Maybe you can make a small ice cube. I'll try to show that. And in a big 200 ml of glass, have that small ice cube once in a while, not regularly. You can have that. You can drink. It's so refreshing drink. When you have this aloe vera gel, a little, into a 200 ml with a little pepper, 3-4 drops of lemon juice, is a refreshing drink. But regularly overdose, kindly don't do that. If anyone, because it's so liberally available and everybody talks about aloe vera has this many properties, that many healing powers. Yes, true, but try to know the facts. Try to know the facts. And aloe vera flowers, as I said, 300 species of aloe vera. And each species has each beautiful flower. I have tried to look at Google, thanks to Google. I have tried to look at so many flowers. But I'm blessed and I'm fortunate to have aloe vera plants, so many at my place. And aloe vera flowers, only matured aloe vera plant flowers, a minimum of 4 years it should be. So after 4 years of aloe vera only you will see the flowering. I am fortunate to have this flower. I'm going to show today aloe vera plant and flowers. Shall we see? This is the regular aloe vera. Usually we find everywhere. Look at the beautiful spikes, healthy one. And the surprise is, this is a matured aloe vera, almost 4 years, and has the flowering. Look at the beautiful flowers. Only matured aloe veras will have this flowering, a minimum of 4-year-old plant. This is 4 years almost, and I have even the small baby plants around. It's easy. One plant of aloe vera will do, and it helps us to have so many in number. And check with the beauty of the plant. As the plant is mature, it has not only green color but little pinkish and reddish, and these are all the baby aloe veras around it. Beautiful aloe vera and the flowering. Look at this beautiful aloe vera which I have cut, and this is succulent leaf. The aloe vera has the juice, the latex you can call it, and also if you can, I just want to show and cut, you can see that sticky jelly kind of thing. This is actually the jelly of aloe vera, and beautiful spotted aloe vera with, you have the small spike kind. This is one kind of aloe vera, and this jelly or the latex is used in the cosmetic industry in making the ointments, moisturizers, which helps, and also a bit of this can be used as juices. Small amount. Kindly don't use it liberally. Use it in a limited way so that it has health benefits. This is another variety of aloe vera. You can just see the stripes on this beautiful plant. This can be used as the table decoration, and you can keep it on your desk, near your tables, as an indoor plant. Definitely this kind of aloe vera is a fascinating one. This aloe vera plant has magical impact on the people, and it has healing power. Soothes the skin. It helps in the hair loss, hair treatment. Helps in digestive problems. Only when there are problems. Don't use them when you are hale and healthy. Don't use it. Just enjoy looking at the plant, looking at the flowers. Keep it as a nice indoor plant or as on a table. But when you really have any of the skin problems, hair problems, or any digestive issues, take the medical guidance of your doctors. Then you can use them. Because in nature, every herb has some healing power. And aloe vera has a lot of properties. As aloe vera, 300 species. What kind of species you have? What kind of variety aloe vera you have? I want all of you to think about it. Take things in nature in a positive way. Definitely that will help us. That will keep us hale and healthy. Take care. Be blessed.